Hey, welcome back to the channel. Got a short video for you guys today. It's an oil change on my 2020 Ram Rebel. It's just a simple job, but for any of you out there who've got a 5th gen Ram and don't want to spend a crap ton of money at the dealership having them do it for you, this is a how-to on like all the steps you need to change your oil. Yeah. Alright, so the tools you'll need are torque wrench. Your drain plug is torqued to 25 per the manual, 25 foot-pounds. 3/8 ratchet, 13 mil socket. If you still have the stock, drain plug, some rubber gloves, a oil filter wrench, funnel, and of course your oil. New filter. I like Wix. K&N is a good filter too. 57060 is your oil filter for Wix, and then something to catch your oil. I've already got the truck in the garage, been ran up to temp, so we're gonna start draining the oil now. Alright y'all, so I forgot to add in here that on a 5th gen, your oil filter is right here, and that is right above your steering rack here. So to keep from getting oil all over the boot and the top of the steering rack, I've just got a plastic bag covering everything. Yeah, just remember that. You don't want to get oil all over the top of your steering rack. It can deteriorate these boots and cause premature wear.
Maybe. Nope.
Alright, I always fill my oil filters with oil before I install them. It helps mitigate a dry start. You don't have to do this. I've just done it with every oil change I've done. Coat your seal in oil before you install it. And coat her all the way around. And reinstall it. Before you reinstall this, make sure your old oil filter ring or seal is not stuck on your engine block. You'll find out real quick if you do that after you start the truck. You're on it. And when you're reinstalling these oil filters, they are only hand tight. Do not use a tool on them. They're not torqued to a spec. They are hand tight. It's just tight enough to get that seal to, seal. There it is. Alright, it is time to add the oil. This is a 5.7. It takes 7 quarts. Alright, cap's back on, oil's in, new oil filter's on. Let's start her up. Got old pressure. she's good to go. Right between the dots. Alright, y'all. That'll do it for this one. If you have any questions or concerns, comment below. Thanks for watching.